The combination of Boyum together with SAP Business One has given us better insights in our data, a more streamlined way of working, and it has helped us a lot with the automation within our company. The coding and labeling is located in Duiven in the Netherlands. We supply different types of coding, labeling and inspection machines to the different companies that need them in the line to make sure they can print or label their packages correctly. We are mostly set up for the Benelux, but we have customers all over the place. We've implemented SAP Business One together with Boyum at the same time for the coding, so we can automate, schedule, validate anything we'd like in the system. Quite a few processes that used to take hours now takes a few minutes. We invoice our contracts once a year for most of our maintenance contracts. Those used to be done every single contract separately. Now we have one button, one report. Both are made with Boyum. Now takes about, let's say, half an hour to run everything, but the program does everything for you, where before it took about 4 days of work. Our SAP Business One provided together with Boyum by Yes Nederland. They've helped a lot with the implementations at the beginning and still with the ongoing situations. For instance, with the dynamic code situation, that was quite new for our business to streamline and schedule things with dynamic code. Frank Fundering from Yes Nederland helped us a lot setting up the code, teaching us a bit the ways how it's implemented in SAP. Yes Nederland always is, of course, looking for new implementations, new systems that we can integrate together with SAP. If there are any developments in the fields, they will let us know. So it's always nice to be kept in the loop. Our company uses SAP Business One HANA in the cloud, which makes it that we don't have to run the same system on-premise in every single company. We're also expanding to other countries as well. With those businesses, we also have to implement SAP Business One, and that actually makes it a lot easier because we've automated and streamlined a lot of the processes with it. Because we have a lot of companies set up with their own databases within SAP, there's a lot of information that's overlapping. So the intercompany solution will help us streamline all the data between them, so users can easily look in the systems of other companies because we are always working together and see if we can grow together. So that's very important to us.